Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in this video I'm showing you how to add captions in Canva. So guys, you're looking to add captions to your videos in Canva. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is open up your canvas, open up the canvas itself, and then go ahead and simply use the upload tool to simply upload any video you hold outside of Canva that needs captions. Now, if you don't have any videos on, on your device and you're looking for videos, you could head over to the Element Hub here. Once you click on Elements where we have browse category, go ahead and click on videos, and then you can search for different kind of videos on here. Some from the magic recommendation, some from trending. We have videos of people here. You could just simply add them to your blank canvas. I've already gone ahead to add a video here, and now in order to include a, you know, caption, head over to the text icon, click on text here, and then click on captions. So when you click on captions and click on generate caption, it's going to generate a caption for the highlighted video. So when you click on the video and it's highlighted, go ahead and click on generate captions, which it would do. And then once it has generated the captions, you most likely would see it underneath your video. And then you can click on captions here and then easily adjust or edit your captions directly from here. And then if you want to, regenerate again, you could just delete all the captions and regenerate. You can change the caption font, the font size, the text color. You can even add effects. You could animate it. There's a lot you can do. But that's how you can go about adding captions in Canva. So guys, once you're now done, just click on share at the top right corner to simply upload or download it as an MP4 video to your computer and you're done. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.